Nailed it. Look at that.
Hello.
Oh!
Very excited about today. It's the big day we've all been waiting for. We've had a few late nights. We left last night at 12:30. It's been the third night consecutively that we've been working late. Get everything ready, get the food prepped, get the fire lit. Sounds like we're at home really, doesn't it? Not at work. And it just made perfect sense to try and get his car up to this point where he is absolutely bowled over. I know he will be. He's seen some of it, but he hasn't seen any of the interior, so he is going to be ecstatic. I know he will. On his merry way. Good to see you, Gav.
You all right, mate? Good, good. We got the A-team here.
How are you, Chief?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to see you. You well?
Yeah.
Dave,
Good.
the Fishman.
Here he is. Good to see you, Gav.
See you.
Yeah. Who have we got here? Nice to meet you, Ted. You well?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my God, look at all this. Hello. Smart.
Smart. Looks good. You better come
Got
hungry.
a piano as well. No way.
It can sit in your courtyard. Warm it up
No
a bit,
way.
And press the star again.
He's going to be a very, very happy man. I would be here all day if I'm going to list off the spec of Vinnie Jones's car. I think the team have nailed it and have done a fantastic job.
Bloody hell.
Where do you want to go first?
In the front. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. Amazing, boys. That's amazing. Well done. Absolutely amazing. Right, ready? Let's go. Nailed it. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Feet up.
You can even put them on the middle here.
Yep.
You got stereo in there. Oh man.
Heated seats, USB chargers. And it's got surround sound.
Well, of course it has. Oh! Oh! Look at that TV.
So that is, say, Bentley Continental GT seat. That's what it is. Good night.
Turn this shit off. Fucking hell. This is fucking beyond, mate.
You can't really drive.
Look at all this. Look, you've got all the stuff here, look. Look, heated seat, phone charger. Oh, you've nailed it, boys. Exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted.
What we'd do, Vin, if you're happy to do so, it'd be sensible to start it up, take it down the road with the boys. You need to drive it. You'll be grinning from ear to ear.
The big sort of fact to this car is it's got now a BMW 4.6 litre V8 in it.
Oh my God.
And then behind that, it's got a later BMW 8-speed gearbox as well.
8-speed?
Obviously no mean feat to make it fit into a Land Rover chassis. You know, everything has been, you know, custom made to fit in here and around it, and also to make it look like it actually should belong in there. because it's not been done before, everything has to be, you know, made, handmade, researched, developed. You know, there's not really a lot you can buy off the shelf for it. So yeah, every step you sort of think is going to take, you know, half an hour can develop into 2 hours to 2 days just to get it right. Yes, it's stressful at times, but just making something that hasn't existed before, and you know, just making, rather than just, you know, making a bracket and that's it, making it look like it's meant to be there and has sort of like almost like its own soul and passion to it.
It's absolutely phenomenal, the level of finish that this truck has. I don't think there's one like it.
Normally there's a process where you make patterns, you run sample pieces, etc. to prove your patterns out, and then you make whatever it is. In this case, it was literally pattern it, make it, fit it. So it was like one shot only. So it was a little bit nerve-wracking, and at the same time trying to keep the attention to detail which Squires deserve, you know, for their products. So a little bit nerve-wracking.
Now straight back.
That is Merry Christmas.
So, from a drive, what do you think?
Yeah, no. I mean, you got a beautiful classic Land Rover and a sports car all in one.
Enough power?
Enough power. It's like a rocket.
Over Christmas, just think about what you want on the engraving on the inside of that, because we'll give it to Embelief.
I think you put what you do on it. I think you should put. It's been emotional. Yeah. Well, I think that sums it up.
Yeah, it
for
does.
me.
Yeah.
It has been emotional. I've had 5 sets of keys to this motor.
And that's it now.
Yeah, thank you. It's been a long road for me with this, you know, 6 or 7 years. You know, it started off as an old green Land Rover and paid 7 grand for it. And now here we are, you know, 5, 6, 7 years later with the creme de la creme. It's absolutely unique, it's absolutely awesome. And the hours, you know, hundreds of hours have gone into this. My experience with Squire has been absolutely mint from start to finish. Absolutely mint. And it's a boyhood dream, I think, you know. As I said it before, you want to be a footballer and own a Land Rover, you know.
I truly believe the journey with Vinnie will not end. You know, he will constantly be wanting to do different things with us. He will always be in and out of here. I can't speak highly enough of our craftsmen. They are absolute geniuses in their own rights. They really are, and absolute heroes, and I'm very, very grateful, and I'm sure every one of our clients is as well, of the amount of hard work, passion and enthusiasm they inject into every single car.
We're only a small team. What we've been able to achieve with this vehicle, you know, I'm super proud. It's such a lovely vehicle, and the reaction we get from Vinnie, you know, it's just fantastic, knowing that he's as proud of it as we are.